All right, we were with Jared. Once we get a focus.
He's the focus of the video.
All right, Jared, where are we?
My art building.
And what do we have to see here?
Gen 2s.
Ooh.
Brand new Otis Gen2s. How old are these?
3 years old.
All right.
2017.
Very smooth. Send it on the ground. These run incredibly well and they're very smooth.
If you want to swap to the other car, we can go to 1.
All right, let's end on one. Listen, you hear the motor pre-torquing as the door's closing. Here's Jared and Jason. And here we are on 1.
This is elevator 4.
This is 4, and now we'll go to some more elevators.
Oh, this one is that weird. Hold on, too.
There goes that
Oh,
one.
wow.
Look at that button.
Interesting.
It's like the real long one.
Let's go look at some more.
See the other one across the way.
Oh yeah, I see it over there.
Yep. I'm gonna start by going down if that's
That's
okay.
fine. I'll switch.
This is a single slide. It's still pretty big. Jason, please send it down to the ground level.
We're still going up. Sounds like we're gonna have some good relays when we get up to
7 to
5.
5 and let the door close before we started.
Yep. Well, going down.
All right, press the door close button, please.
And we'll listen to those epic relays.
All right, touch ground gently. Now, somebody send it to 1.
We'll actually get the other one.
Oh, you
in.
can get it from here.
We can't get it.
Cool.
Okay.
We'll see my lobby.
That was
Exciting.
pretty cool.
We have yet another elevator.
Another elevator, another Gen 2. So quiet. All right, send it up the top floor, please. get that relay action, press the door closed, and press the ground once it shuts. Just like the others.
Then we'll walk to the garage to the side.
Okay. I don't know why, but I've always loved those relay sounds on the Gen 2.
Yeah, that's nice.
Anyway,
We have the next elevator, the last elevator.
Yeah, last car in the building.
there it is. All right, someone press the button.
And it stinks like trash in here.
This is the west side service car.
All right, close the door.
There's the controller.
These don't have very long door timers. They shut real quick.
There we go.
Listen. Here we are at the ground floor.
That was a nice tour of some very nice elevators.
That was an awesome Gen 2 tour.
A Gen tour.
A Gen 2.
Dun-dun.
Thank you, Jared.
No problem.
That'll be it.
Bye.